It's a question we've all asked. What do men want? The truth is, what men really want from a woman is actually dead simple. And that's why it's so often overlooked by women who focus on looks or sex. I'll tell you 3 things every guy wants from a woman they date and how to use this information to keep your man happy long term. Hi, I'm Lucy Goldman from LoveLearnings TV. We partner with experts like Amy North and Brad Browning to provide the best relationship advice on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button now for new dating advice every week. So, what are these magical 3 things that every man wants? Let's get into it. 1. Agreeability. I get a lot of pushback when I tell women to be agreeable. I'm accused of being anti-feminist, misogynistic, and a number of insulting things. The truth is, I give the same advice to men. Being agreeable isn't about changing your opinions or hiding your feelings. Being agreeable is simply about keeping positive and always giving people the benefit of the doubt. It's also about listening. When he's talking about something and he says something you don't 100% agree with, think carefully before responding. If it's something that really doesn't matter or something he clearly cares about more than you do, it's okay to not make it an issue. Everyone knows that one person who is contrarian, combative, and a constant devil's advocate. The truth is, men and women both want a partner who's just on their side. So if he's venting to you about some jerk in his office, take his side. Don't say he probably feels the same way about you. Life is hard enough. The reason we have relationships is to find some comfort and solace in a difficult world. It's about finding harmony with one another, and this takes empathy from both of you. Plus, if you focus on positivity, when the time comes that you actually do disagree with him, he's going to take note. Besides, if you find your man is constantly saying things you fundamentally disagree with, guess what? You two just shouldn't be together in the long run anyway. 2. SelfReliance. There's a lot of debate these days about whether or not men want an independent woman. It seems like guys want to be your knight in shining armor, but only when it's convenient for them. It's a difficult double standard to navigate. Here's my advice. Self-reliance needs to be your foundation. Think of it this way. If his boss says that he needs to leave town tomorrow and he'll be gone for a week on business, his first thought shouldn't be worrying about how you're going to react and how you're going to manage without him. Now, this is all hypothetical, but what I'm trying to say is that you need to be resilient and able to stand on your own 2 feet. Low maintenance is the key. This doesn't mean turning away help when it is offered. And when you do ask for help, which will happen frequently in any relationship, don't apologize. Instead, express gratitude to him for his strength. We all lean on one another, and your ability to be vulnerable is an invitation for him to be vulnerable as well. Just make sure you have sources of support outside of your boyfriend, whether it's friends, family, or even a therapist. Another great source of support for your relationship is Amy North. Her work in the world of love and relationships is unparalleled. Go to coachnorth.com right now to learn all about her devotion system. It really is the best way to attract men and make them fall in love with you. That's coachnorth.com. What do you have to lose? 3. Care and gratitude. Men want to be looked after as much as women do. So many men come to me with this complaint. They feel like they're not getting back the same care that they're giving to their partner. This goes back to typical gender roles of the man as a provider and breadwinner. In this modern sense, this can be a result in men doing most of the heavy lifting in the relationship, and that woman receiving that love and affection. I'm talking more about tangible action here rather than words. Women typically have no trouble telling men how they feel, and men have no trouble showing women how they care. But the opposite is not so common. Just as men have trouble expressing their feelings in words, women tend to stop short of actually physically taking care of their man. even if you feel like he doesn't need it, make the effort to treat him to something special anyway. It can be cooking him a nice meal, giving him a massage, or even getting him a small gift without asking for anything in return. Show your man you care, and he'll know that it's true. I've lumped care and gratitude together in one trait for this reason. Caring for your man is how you show you're grateful for him. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't express your gratitude in words. You should. But more often than not, you need to put your money where your mouth is. Those are the 3 things that men want: agreeability, self-reliance, and care. Thanks for watching. I'm Lucy Goldman for LoveLearnings TV. See you next week.